There was a little boy about 6 years old who came to a balloon seller who was selling balloons on the street. And he asked the balloon seller, "Uncle, will this red balloon go up in the air?" The balloon seller said, "Of course, it will." He said, "And the blue one?" 100% it will. "The pink one?" "Most certainly it will." And you know how kids can be. They can ask funny questions, and I give funny answers as well. A 4-year-old once came to a shopkeeper and said to the shopkeeper, "Girl," he said, "Uncle, मैं कैसी लगती हूँ?" 4-year-old girl. The shopkeeper said, "बहुत प्यारी लगती हो बिटिया." He said, "तो अंकल मैं बड़ी हो जाऊंगी तो आप मेरी शादी आपके बेटे से करेंगे?" The shopkeeper said, "जरूर करेंगे बिटिया." He said, "तो अंकल फिर अपने होने वाली बहू को एक फ्री डेयरी मिल्क नहीं देंगे?" Children, very innocent, charming, clever, smart. They can ask funny questions and they can give funny answers too. A teacher in class asked a 6-year-old, "Which state of India are you from?" He said, "I'm from Arunachal Pradesh, madam." She said, "Can you spell it for me?" He said, "I'm from Goa, actually." Who spells Arunachal Pradesh? Kids are kids, aren't they? This little boy asked, "Will the pink balloon go up? Will the red balloon go up? Will the black balloon go up? Will the blue balloon go up?" The exasperated balloon seller said, "Look, darling, the balloons don't go up in the air based on their colors. The balloons go up in the air based on what's filled inside of them. The gas, the air, that's what takes the balloons to the heights of success." Boys and girls, the class of 2023, we're all different colored balloons with different abilities, different skill sets, different backgrounds, different upbringings, different family cultures, different traditions, different opportunities, different resources, different challenges. We all have a very different outside. But guess what? Everybody who has reached the heights of success and has made a mark in the world hasn't ever done it based on the color of the balloon, hasn't ever done it based on resources, hasn't ever done it based on opportunities, hasn't ever done it based on skills, hasn't ever done it based on what they've just learnt in school, college and universities. These are all the colors of the balloons, and extremely important. Everybody who's left a mark in the world and has made the world a better place are the ones who had the right kind of gas filled inside their balloons. As we sort our outside, it is very, very crucial and important to fix our inside, because only those who have their inside sorted and inside fixed have reached high up in the sky. Which is why, don't they say, it's not our aptitude but our attitude that decides our altitude in our life. Yes, we definitely need aptitude. Our schools, our universities, our teachers have given us the aptitude, but along with that, they've also given us the right attitude by their own example. Our families have given us the right attitude by their own example.